Today, I am going to show you how to back up files from System32 to an external USB flash drive. Let's get started. Let's hold down the Shift key and click Restart to get into the Choose an Option menu. Brother and sister, please be patient. It will take time to get there. Now, in the Choose an Option menu, select Troubleshoot. Next, click on Advanced Options. Finally, you will see the Command Prompt option. Select it. You can use Notepad to find out your Windows OS and your USB flash drive. Now, let's find your OS drive and USB drive. From there, we can use the command line to transfer files from System32 to the USB. Wow, we got it! The USB drive is F and the OS drive is C. The USB drive F is empty now. Let's bring some files from System32 into it, shall we? I am going to type a few command lines as shown in the command prompt window. You just follow them. However, your drive might be different from this, so just change it to suit your needs. Anyway, let's continue. Remember, the source command line is always typed first, and the destination path is always typed last. In this case, the OS drive is C, and the USB flash drive is F. Remember to insert the USB flash drive into your PC, as it will not be there automatically. I will provide two examples in this case, however, the files you want may be different. Nevertheless, the principal approaches to the problem are the same. Okay, with all the talk and demonstration done, let's go back to the USB flash drive and see what's in there. Okay, we can see that the files are in the F drive. That means our command lines were executed successfully. Okay, let's close all the opened windows and return to our Windows login screen. Backing up System32 in the WinRE is the best option because it allows you to back up files without any obstacles. Once you've logged into the Windows screen and entered your password, go ahead and open your USB flash drive. Hopefully the files we saw earlier are still there. This time, the USB flash drive is labeled as E, but the drive letter doesn't matter as long as the backup files are present. If you find this tutorial video helpful, please share it with your friends and colleagues and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.